Let's imagine you guys are out there right now enjoying the beautiful Christmas lights. Or you can be at the drive-in theater, pull right in, watch a great movie. But the problem is though you're disturbing the whole experience because your daytime running lights are on. You don't want to turn off the car because you know it's hot or it's cold. You want to make sure everyone stays comfortable on the inside of the vehicle. So how do you turn off your daytime running lights? You're not ruining it for everyone? I'm going to show you guys that right now. Alright, so you guys can see that your daytime running light's on. There's two ways you can go about to turn this off. One's a temporary fix, and the other one's a permanent fix, okay? So it's all about situations. So let's say if I just want to turn it off now because we're there experiencing stuff now, but I want it on later, the easy fix would be to come over here to your light stick, how it says the auto, tip it to off. That's it. Pretty nice and easy. So that's going to be a temporary thing. Because now when I put the vehicle into drive and get to a certain speed, your daytime running lights will automatically come right back on. Now let's talk about the permanent fix. If I don't want these on while the vehicle's in motion at all. So we're going to come over here to settings, select settings, go down to vehicle settings, exterior light, come down to daytime running lights, and then boom, they're off just like that, guys.